question is, are our state courts able to stand up to the partisan pressure and make the decision that is best for our state's democracy?
Today, the latest turn in the tumultuous and razor-thin race between Supreme Court candidates Allison Riggs and Jefferson Griffin. Ann Webb with Common Cause North Carolina has been following the fallout from the race closely, including the latest turn this week.
And I think North Carolinians should be paying close attention to what this court does and ask themselves whether the court is behaving the way we think our courts should.
After a judge ruled in favor of Riggs last week, upholding decisions from election officials to reject protests by Griffin, who's seeking to throw away 60,000 votes as part of his challenge, a new petition is seeking to take the case right to the state Supreme Court, bypassing the Court of Appeals altogether.
We do know, if you look at the makeup of the Court of Appeals, it's a 15-member court. It hears cases in 3-member panels, and there are 12 Republicans and 3 Democrats.
Mitch Kokai with the Locke Foundation says bypassing the state Court of Appeals, as a petition would seek to do, has political implications, but would also speed up what's become a drawn-out process.
The state Supreme Court, in its last order in this case, ordered the Superior Court to work expeditiously, which suggests that the Supreme Court would like to get this resolved fairly quickly.
This weekend, several local rallies are planned in response to Griffin's challenge of the race, the last undecided race from the 2024 elections. In Fayetteville, the NAACP is leading a rally on Sunday at 2 p.m. before a similar demonstration steps off in Raleigh on Monday at noon. Webb says the results of this race and a possible overturning of last week's court ruling has major implications beyond our state.
While we might view this as a North Carolina issue and an issue of concern just for these 60,000 voters, that is really not the case. This goes well beyond just this election and just these voters.